Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. I am back with another painting tutorial, and today I decided to make a street lamp using watercolors. All the materials that I'll be using in this painting are linked in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that already, otherwise you'll miss all the painting tutorials that I'll be posting in the future. Well, as you can see, I am starting with making a sketch of the street lamp. You may make something exactly like this, or you can go for your own design. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that you like what you're doing. And one more thing, I am new to YouTube, so please let me know are the videos okay? Is the tutorial really helpful or not? And how do you like the instructions? Like, do you want me to just write it as subtitles, or do you want me to narrate it to you, or both, or none? Just please help a kid out. Thank you. You can peacefully now watch the sketching. So the sketch is almost ready, but before painting, we'll lighten up the sketch. So I'm just erasing the sketch lightly so that I have a outline to work on. And I'm doing this because watercolors are transparent in nature. So, if the pencil is dark, it will be visible even after painting, and we don't really want that. I think we are good to start painting now. Here I'm using wet on wet technique, which means I have just put some water on the paper first, and then I've taken a very little amount of color. Here I'm using a teal just to add the background. I always like to finish my backgrounds first and then move on to the main subject. So this helps in highlighting the subject, and the background remains the background, and the subjects really pops up. So here I'm just adding a bit of colors here and there. So I'm using purple, teal, blue, some green, some yellow, some crimson. You can play around like any color theme you want, you can just go for it. Just make sure that you're using more proportions of water and very little amount of colors. Our background is almost ready. Now I'll be painting the flowers. So I'm using a parrot green as the center of the flower, and then for the petals I'll just use crimson and a dash of purple here and there. The paper is already wet because of the background, so I'm just using very little amount of colors and they'll happily spread around. Kindly watch carefully what I'm trying to do here because it's difficult to explain it step by step. so we are almost done with the flowers, so we'll move on to the main subject, which is the street lamp. And again, I am starting with the glass area of the lamp. So I'm using lots of water and very little amount of purple and blue to give the glassy effect. For the body, I am going with shades of green. So beginning with some teal color, and again lots of water and very little amount of colors, because this is the first base of the lamp that I'm painting. On the left side of the lamp, I am going for a lighter shade, so I'm using padded green for the lamp body. The first base of watercolors is done, so we'll move on to the second base of colors. What I'm doing here is basically adding a darker shade of all the colors that we have previously used. So I'm doing this for both the body and the glass of the lamp. Kindly watch so you have a better understanding of what I'm doing. are done painting the lamp, we'll move to the next step, which is painting the handle. So again, I'm keeping the color palette green for the handle, and for the panel it will be crimson and purple, or and some blue. Once again, using wet on wet technique, and which is again, you put water on the paper first and then add the colors, so it'll give a very transparent effect, which will not be harsh to your eyes. It will be very soothing. So that's what that is what the beauty of watercolors are. They are not harsh to your eyes. They are very calming. I mean, I find them calming while painting and also while watching. The painting is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you follow this tutorial and you paint something. And if you do, please DM me on Instagram so that I can watch it. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.